What is art in your eyes? Picasso believed that art could wash away the dust of everyday life from the soul. Looking for a quiet space to indulge in reading? Wanna watch a live show or art exhibition? I know a place that can satisfy your search for art. How to define the 403 Art Space?
它是一个多元化的艺术空间综合体，因为它包含了剧场、美术馆、厢房，然后会馆多个方面。
Mei Yuan, who graduated from Southwest Minzu University, has been working here since January this year. She is primarily responsible for installing exhibitions and aesthetic layout.
消费者过来的话，他可以感受到就是不同艺术门类在这里的碰撞。比如说，当我们的剧场有演出的时候，我们的展览的时候，他可以在这个很大的空间里面、范围里面去活动，这样子对于他来说就是一个很好的艺术综合的体验。
Obviously, it's more than just a bookshop. The reading is still one of the cores of the store. The bookshop called Book Nest was founded more than a decade ago. Leona is the manager of the store. In 2019, the Book Nest reopened in a new location. She was one of the first employees to work here and was promoted to store manager last November.
我们在09年是在杭阳北广场，一个小别墅里头，但是那个时候只是售书，没有饮品，更没有我们的宏宇剧场呀、美术馆呀什么的都没有。
The books on the stairs are free for public to read. They are mainly from the library of Qingshou District, the personal collection of Mr. Deng Li, the founder of Book Nest, and also the collection donated by Book Nest partners. The so-called partner donation means you can donate your books and get some rewards, such as free coffee or show ticket vouchers. Lou Xinyu, with a master's degree from Guangxi Arts University, joined the 403 Art Space in 2020. She's in charge of curating exhibitions and performances.
就是弘乙的这个场地是一个很灵活的全品类的一个场地，小剧场的话剧，然后平时我们有相声，还有脱口秀，然后甚至是一些舞蹈剧，然后包括一些黑匣子的那种实验的话剧，我们也会在这里做。我们还会邀请一些纪录片的导演到这里去做点映、做交流会。所以小剧场的优势就在这里，你既能够感受这种话剧的魅力和力量，然后但是它的价格的门槛给你的负担又不是那么的重。2年后的今天，然后我们慢慢做了非常多的交流活动，我会发现观众变得越来越包容了，然后也越来越愿意表达了。我觉得是越来越好的。
Besides, the 403 Art Space is also committed to supporting art creators and introducing local culture and creative brands in Guangxi.
他们提升了他们的知名度，那我们呢，就是通过他们使我们的产品更加丰富了。不管是哪里来的客人，都可以感受得到，广西这些新的产品有新的东西了。
The 3 boats in the display area were brought back by Mr. Deng Li from a floating market in Thailand.
因为淘回来的船，它是有那种历史沉淀感的，它有磨损，它就是经历过风吹雨打，所以它淘回来它的那种感觉会更好一点，更真实一点。
After chatting with these lovely people, I deeply feel that the store is jointly built by a group of people who are full of love and persistence in culture and art. In their understanding, diversity, specialization, and idealization are synonymous with 403 Art Space. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, and don't forget to comment and follow our official accounts.